Welcome, teachers. Every time I look at one of these units, I always say, oh, this is the most important unit. No, this is the most important unit. So I'll probably get out of saying one is more important than the other, but this is also up there for one of the most important units, because we know that there's a lot of folks trying to take advantage of all of us out there, and especially our students, and their techniques are getting more and more sophisticated all of the time. And one of the biggest ways to get yourself into financial trouble is to be a victim of a scam or a fraud. And so that's the goal of this unit, is to protect your students and even yourself from some of the bad actors out there. As you can see, we start with a lesson on protecting your personal information, and we talk about identity theft. Then we talk about common scams, ways to recognize them and avoid them. Then we talk about contracts. People always talk about, oh, did you read the fine print? And we all have a sense that the fine print might get us in trouble, but then we still don't read it. Well, maybe we'll teach our students to read it. And then when things do go bad, where can they actually get help? And that goes to the consumer protection. What rights do they have? What recourse do they have? So like always, try to do the exercises as the teacher so that you can support your students, and ideally watch the videos and read the articles as well, and bring your own stories. If you know someone who's been scammed, this isn't just in the abstract. This is real stuff that's happening to real people every day.